Wishing you a happy Easter from Lithu's Nailart Designs. Today I will be showing you how to create simple and cute nail art. Our first nail art is Christmas ring. We have to place green dots in a round followed by white dots. Next I have placed light green color in a ring. This is completely optional. This nail art requires no fancy tool, just creativity. Using a dotting tool, draw a circle around the dots. Now I will be drawing a ribbon for decorating this ring. If you want to know how to draw a ribbon, click on the link above. Choose a base color that complements your design. Thank you for all my subscribers for watching my video. If you are using nude shade as the base coat, then make sure that you use dark shades to draw the design. For our second design, I will be drawing a French nail. If you want a detailed video about French nail, say in the comments. Now let's draw a snowman on top of that. Place a tiny dot using a dotting tool, or else you can use toothpick. Follow the exact steps shown in this video. And this is finished by drawing the facial expressions. Next is deer nail art. First of all, we have to start by drawing the horn of the deer. Take some black color on the liner brush to draw the horns. If you have any doubt about this nail art, don't forget to ask in the comments. This nail art is perfect for short nails. Finish this design by drawing the facial expressions. Next is Christmas father nails. Start by drawing the hat and followed by the braid. I have taken white color for designing the hat. This is the key for clean nail art. I am keeping this nail art cute, simple and beginner friendly so it looks beautiful even on short nails. Our next design is winter flicks. Start by placing tiny dots using a dotting tool. This nail art is the most easiest nail art ever. Follow the exact same steps as shown in this video. Watch till the end and let me know which design is your favorite. These designs are cute, stylish and totally viral right now. Take a thin liner brush and draw the lines using the dots we have placed. This design is perfect for Christmas or simply to celebrate the holiday season in a funny way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's really a great support to my channel.